We're into dinosaurs these days. This is the Raptor. Yes, the Raptor. You have messages pushed from your phone, a little information about it for hooking you up when you're tethering. You've got some settings for muting, brightness, an install timer, basically about the QR code for getting the app and resetting the watch, and pages of information, including your step count, no calories burned and distance traveled visible here, but you can see it on the app. Last night's sleep time, no deep light or REM or awake time, but just the basic overall sleep time. Again, that other stuff is viewable from the app itself. You have heart rate instantaneous. This watch does two ways of heart rate. It's doing the measurement now, which is tracked on the app in a separate area from continuous heart rate that it does in the background, which really isn't continuous, it's intermittent, and you have a frequency of how often you want it to do that. But it'll come in here, give you a heart rate, vibrate, flip the screen, and lock in that rate. And if you're wearing a watch face that has heart on it, the heart rate will be this heart rate, not continuous and not changing over time. Very important. You have a sports section that lets you go into all these, walking and running and cycling, skiing. You have two different kinds of football here and here. You notice the difference. You got golf and bowling, even swimming, and free training if you want to. Most of those are measuring just calories versus time. You've got the weather in here and a bit of a forecast, and you get to set the area in the app. You have remote shutter and a music player and a breathing exerciser as well. And that's all of those panels. You have about 3 stock watch faces and one that you can add from a list of about 35 to 50 extra watch faces. You've got a great TPU band with nice ridges and holes for moving sweat along. Charging connection here, 2 buttons, and a ruggedized build. Bright screen, easy to see from an angle. It's the Raptor. Check it out.